How's it going, Option Sharks? This is your option coach here, and today I'm joining you once more on my patio. Take a look at the pool area, also the jacuzzi. Okay, so in this video, this is a part 2 that ties into the first video about the current revolution that we are in, right? And the era that we are in. So this video is going to cover about the industry and ecosystem that serves the revolution, that serves the current era. So obviously right now, the money is in, like I mentioned to you guys before the first video, it's in tech, it's in crypto, it's in AI, it's in robotaxi. That is where the money is. And how can we benefit, how can we profit from those industries? Now, obviously you can invest directly into the industries themselves, right? Into the stocks themselves, or you can invest into the industry, the ecosystem that powers that industry, that runs in parallel to that industry, right? Because these in the ecosystem, AI, tech, software, robotaxi, crypto, they all demand huge amounts of power. I'm talking about lots of power and database usage. So in order to manage that, in order to keep up with the supply and the demand to power all these technology, you need reliable energy source and sustainable energy source. So when I think about it, a lot of these stocks have ran up significantly, right? So you can still capture some benefit from it. But I'd much rather now, looking at the industry as a whole and the ecosystem as a whole, invest into companies that serve that market, that serve the market, and pretty much they're unbiased, meaning that if they can take on any clients like Meta, Amazon, Apple, any of these big tech, because they can just serve that. So think about the energy suppliers, right? Energy suppliers, energy solutions, nuclear power, anything that's related to that industry, that ecosystem that powers the demand for AI and crypto, then you will benefit from that as well. So if you are looking at the market now, there's a few ticker symbols that I will share with you guys off the top of my head. There's one called CLS, that is, I believe it's called Constellica. Then there's also CEG, Constellation Energy. There's also VST, Vistra, and one more CLS, Celestra. Okay, Celestial. So these companies, they all provide energy solutions to fund the AI revolution. And also, there's also database providers as well. And same thing, database requires huge amount of energy to keep the databases alive, right? Keep the databases up and running. And without the power, the databases cannot function. So the power, I would say the power is more important than the tech itself. All right, so anything that provides energy solutions for the demand for tech and AI and crypto, robotaxi, this is where you want to be and be able to invest in these stocks. And the stocks that I just mentioned, CLS, LEU, and then we have VST and then CEG. If you look at the 3-month chart on these stocks, they are trending upwards. Okay, they're at an all-time high, and they continue to trend upwards because we're still at the beginning of the AI revolution and the crypto revolution. So the demand for energy and power is going to continue to rise, like huge amount of energy, and these companies will benefit from that. So these are the stocks that I'm primarily trading on, the ecosystem around tech, AI, crypto, robotaxi. And then if you like what I share here, definitely leave a comment. I always respond to your comments. And if you want to learn how to trade options, you want to generate 3 to 10% per month trading options, and you like to have some one-on-one coaching, this is the service that I provide. I work with everybody on a one-on-one level, and I literally help you make 3 to 10% per month, and I handhold you through the whole process and trade with you live. All right, so if you like what you're hearing and you are in the market and you want some help, just use the link in the description or in the comment. I provide a link there. You can book a time, and we can see if we're a good fit for you, and we'll definitely be able to work something out. And of course, stay tuned for the second half. I'm going to share with you guys an actual recording of me with one of my option sharks, so you can see me in action and see how I coach and see how I help my clients. All right, so other than that, I wish you a fantastic day wherever you are, and then I'll see you guys on the next one.
This one I have basically like a $12,000 for margin. There's that $4,000 that's still It's still pending.
Yeah, can you click on the buying power?
On where? The buy?
Buying power, the 12,000, the little arrow.
Arrow, what
Yeah, just
arrow?
click on the
Oh, here.
12,000.
Okay.
And okay, so we just only have 6,000 available. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to search bar, ACHR. And Archer Aviation, and then want to trade options on that.
Trade options, okay.
Yeah, and then
Where do I go?
trade options on the bottom right.
Bottom right. All the way? Oh, right
No,
here.
yeah, right there.
I'm new to this one, so it's
No
going to take a
worries.
bit.
And then want to sell put.
Sell,
Put.
put. Okay.
And then want to
So
select
is this are these like, is this a weekly?
Yeah, want to do weekly.
Okay.
And then want
Because
to pick a 850 strike price. There you go. Damn, the
50.
premium went down, but it's okay. Select that one. Yep.
This one?
Yes.
Premium is 25 cents
$25 per contract. You can do
per
7.
contract.
Yeah, click continue. And then select 7 contracts on the right, top right, where it says contracts. Right up,
Oh, okay.
yeah, right there. There you go. All right, let's
Review.
fill that out. 174, it's about $175. We'll use 5,900 collateral. Archer is a good stock to trade for smaller portfolios. They're partnered with Palantir, so Palantir is invested in this company as well. They
No, I
focus
like
on
Archer.
yeah, they focus on
I
aviation. Yes, and they have earnings call coming up, which is going to be good. They already have forward momentum. Yeah, and this is the best stock that has the most amount of premium you can trade for a stock that's trading below 10. Yeah, you want to submit this order before the bid ask changes, because right now it was at 0.27, 0.28 this morning. It was about $27 per contract is already and you got filled. There you go. So $175 based off 6,000, which is very good. And even if you get assigned the shares at 850, you can sell cover calls at 850 or
But
higher.
let's just say if you got assigned, okay, let's just say
Yeah,
I was assigned at 850. I mean, even if I was assigned, I could sell it right away if I want to. I wouldn't really
you
lose
can,
anything. Right?
you can. But if the stock's below, if you get assigned at 850 and the stock's trading at 840, 830, $8, then you have unrealized loss. So you
Yeah, I
don't want
see
to
what
sell
you're
it. So
saying.
then you just sell cover calls on it to generate more income, more premium. That helps you offset that. Okay.